NBS, how to adjust the divert tub. For safety, always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Loosen the bolts to the cover plates. Remove the outer cover plates. Remove the 4 top cover panel screws. On each end of the diverter tub, remove the end cover panels. On each end, loosen the 9/16 connecting bolts located on the inner sidewalls. There are 8 bolts total. On each side, measure and place a mark inside the conveyor side channel. This is to mark the distance that the divert tub is to be moved. Attach a ratchet strap to the divert tub and the conveyor support. Slowly tighten the ratchet strap until the divert tub is aligned with the marks. On each end of the divert tub, tighten the 9/16 bolts, 8 total. Reinstall both divert tub cover panels. Reinstall the top cover panel screws. Reinstall the cover plates. For more MHS Conveyor videos, please visit mhs-conveyor.com.